How to fix Instagram video call failed on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram video call failed on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. And that's it. As you see, there is an update here for me, and maybe you'll find here an update. And that's it. Now go to settings if that doesn't fix your problem, then scroll down, make sure power saving mode is disabled. Now restart your phone, go to apps. This one is for Android phones. Go to apps again, type here Instagram, click on it, click force stop, go to storage, clear cache, go to permissions, make sure camera and microphone is allowed. And that's it. Now try again. I hope that can fix it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.